Hi, today we're going to be unboxing Bandai's Saban's Power Rangers MEGAFORCE GOSei Grand MEGAZORD. It comes with one collector Power Ranger card. Let's see that. For ages 4 and up. Only on Nickelodeon. Bandai, you can go to bandai.com to see their full website. Collect them all. There's a GOSei Great MEGAZORD and GOSei Grand MEGAZORD. There's only 2 MEGAZORDs or micro MEGAZORDs to get. And also look for the new Tokyo vinyl fitters. There is GOSei Red Dragon from the Sky series and GOSei Blue Shark from the Sea series. That's what their crest represents. That crest right there represents Sky, that crest represents Sea, as you can see it on their helmets. So let's open him up, shall we? First, let's take a look at the card that comes in here. On the back, we have Saban's Power Rangers Action Card Game. On the front, it is MEGAZORD GOSei Grand MEGAZORD. It says MEGAFORCE. There's a 6. Damage assist is 4. It is a rock type. As you know, you can play this game as rock, paper, scissors. If you have the app on your phone, you can scan it to play the game, or see little videos, or some kind of virtual thing on the card. And you can also scan it with the GOSei Metamorpher, which we'll be doing it in a little bit. Back to the card. It is P015 MEGAZORD. Level 1, 770. Level 2, 810. Level 3, 910. Level 4, 11,000. Level 5, 12,100. And level 6, mats. That's all it says. Let's hear it again.
MEGAFORCE, MEGAZORD.
So, not much. You know, you're expecting to have something. They said this thing is supposed to say over 70 phrases. Not exactly true. When you scan a MEGAZORD card, all it says is GOSei MEGAFORCE MEGAZORD. It doesn't tell you that it's GOSei Grand MEGAZORD or GOSei Shark MEGAZORD or GOSei Sea MEGAZORD. On to the actual GOSei Grand MEGAZORD toy. For articulation, his shoulders do fully rotate all the way around. His hands are somewhat posted up and a little bit to the side. You can rotate his hands, both of them. You can rotate that and you can rotate that. As we said, they could kind of go there. His head can go up and forth, and it does spin all the way around. It's just kind of hard to grip. As for his torso does spin all the way around. As you can see that. Legs, up, down, in, out, back and forth, in, out. He can bend at the knees. And for these little feet headers. They do go up and down, but that's about it. Now you can take the shoulder pads off, which gives him a little more free range in his arms to go fully out to the sides. But that's about it. And it's not like these little shoulder pads can lock onto anything else, which it would be kind of cool. Like if you could lock it onto his hands, so he'd go from hands to like these claws. That would be really nice. So it'd be like hands convert to claws. That would be pretty cool. But he don't. And to show you, I'll just snap one bit on how limited they are. These are limit inhibitors. So here's his full range. They can move with the shoulder pad on and without the shoulder pad. It doesn't look much, but it does inhibit his movement a lot. Makes it more stiff. This makes it more loose. Not loose in the sense that it's going to be cheap and fall apart, but more range of movement. So that's what you get with the Micro GOSei Grand MEGAZORD. Okay, hold your little card. So that's everything that comes in the box. Your Micro MEGAZORD and your GOSei card to add to your collection. Remember to rate, subscribe, and like this video. Alright, thanks, bye.